So how do you find these saved passwords on your iPad? Let's get started. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Essentially, there is this app called Passwords, which you can find on your iPad. If you cannot find this app, it's possible that you have an older version of the iPad OS running and updating might make the app show up. Like in the older versions, the passwords were specifically part of the settings. Now it's a dedicated app, but essentially you can get inside, of course, authenticate yourself with Face ID or the Touch ID and access all of your saved passwords. So there might be some passkeys or Wi-Fi networks and all of the other like categories, but it is generally all right here. You should also know that it's possible that you have saved the passwords somewhere else, right? So there are like different apps or services which let you save your passwords. For example, there are the Google passwords, and those can also be accessed through the iPad. Like you can literally just go to Google's website where they have that available, like log in with your account and also track your saved passwords there. But that's essentially all from me right now. Let me know what you think below, or if you managed to find it, hit the thumbs up if you did to let me know, and I will see you later in the future tutorials.